Tip number 1. The non-metal bottle brush has two ends. The larger end with the soft bristles is used to clean the inside of all of our bottle systems. It can also be used to clean the outside, the nipple collar, and even breast pump parts. Tip number 2. The Chevron tip at the end of the non-metal bottle brush is specifically designed to clean the inside of our nipples. Just like that. We do not recommend using a wire brush to clean the inside of the nipples as it will damage the nipple. Tip number 3. Unlike most bottle brushes, our non-metal bottle brush has no metal even inside the handle. Therefore, this bottle brush can be steam sanitized in our microwave steam sanitizing bags.